One of the most beautiful ways to end the day is with a Hawaiian practice. It's called Ho'oponopono, and it's a practice and a process of mental cleansing where the things you do throughout the day can be reconciled and forgiven, corrected, and restored through prayer, discussion, confession, repentance, and forgiveness. You can practice Ho'oponopono right now. Just lie down somewhere comfortable. And place your left hand on the lower part of your belly. And then place your right hand on your heart. Then take a deep breath in. Just feel the breath go through your body. And as you release and exhale, just feel the release. Continue breathing slowly and deeply. You'll soon notice that your body is becoming calm and your mind is becoming quiet. Now, think about someone you have lost connection with or have not seen for a time, or someone you are not happy with. It can be a friend, a family member, a coworker, classmate, or someone you love. And just picture this person in your mind. And once you picture this person in your mind, just see them in a place where you know that they love. Just picture them, that person, in the place that they love. See the colors vividly, hear the sounds that are associated with this picture of this person and the place that they love. And as you experience this person in the place that they love, just know that you're making a connection with them. And I want you to feel the connection between the two of you. Just send your love out to this person. See this connection as a healing energy, and just imagine that it has a color attached to it. And see that color, that healing energy, the connection, the color between you and that person. And then there are 4 simple phrases that are key to Ho'oponopono. These are the phrases that you want to send out to this person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Repeat these 2, 3 and 4 times, however many times you wish. Again, these are the phrases that are key to Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as you are sending these phrases out to this person you are thinking of, and feeling the energy between the two of you, just visualize that person returning healing energy back to you. And notice the color, what color energy that they're sending to you. Just feel the energy and the connection with deep appreciation and respect. And when you feel that energy, you'll realize how small, how insignificant our indifferences between each other can be, and how little that they really matter. And you'll also know that they can all be healed. And now, take your left hand and put it on your heart. And this is a symbol of the connection that you have with this person and the healing energy that you are giving to and receiving from this person. When you practice Ho'oponopono with willingness and trust, you'll notice that your heart is becoming peaceful and your soul is becoming uplifted. And you'll find that you enjoy the gift of connection and healing that you notice in your heart, soul, mind, and body.